Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Shortly after the release of Nearby Share for Windows, Samsung decided to do the same for Quick Share. And now you can transfer files from your Samsung phone to your Windows PC by downloading an app from the Microsoft Store. But for me it sounds like a duplicate effort because Nearby Share is already available on any Android phone including Samsung phones. So does Quick Share provide any extra advantage over Nearby Share for Samsung users, or it's exactly the same thing but with a different name? And that's why I'm going to do a quick speed test between the two, and I will also show you a quick tutorial on how to activate it on your Windows machine. So without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with the installation, Quick Share companion app is available on the Microsoft Store, which is pretty straightforward to set up. When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Samsung account, which is something that you can skip if you want, but it will give you some extra features to manage your sharing options, so I will go ahead and sign in. Keep in mind that it will ask you to enable two-factor authentication for your Samsung account to be able to sign in if you don't have it activated already. Now I'm signed in and ready to share files. So let's open Nearby Share and the Quick Share side by side for comparison. I will ignore the UI differences and start with the options and settings. The front page offers the same functionalities on both. You get a quick shortcut to adjust the visibility. You can also drag and drop files to share with others, but Google gives you the option to browse as well, which is not the case with Quick Share. Next, we have the settings page. The choices are almost the same on both. You can edit your PC name, select the destination folder, and more. But only Quick Share has the option to choose between light or dark theme. Enough with the settings, and let's compare the most important thing, which is the transfer speed. I will use the S23 Ultra to test both because it's the same phone with the same processing power, but the only difference is the transfer method. When it comes to the phone settings, Quick Share and Nearby Share have different transfer options. Quick Share has a Wi-Fi only toggle, while Nearby Share has without internet or Wi-Fi only. So I will test both, and keep in mind that I don't have a SIM card inside the phone, so using cellular data is not possible. The phone is on the latest software version available. All Samsung apps are up to date, which is also the case for Google apps, and the same Wi-Fi network will be used in both tests. I will transfer a 1.1 GB video file already available on the device storage, but before starting, let's take a quick break with today's sponsor. If you are interested to purchase original Windows 10 and Office keys, head over to cdkeyoffer.com using the links in the description below, then apply my special promo code ID20 to get extra 25% discount. Windows 10 OEM key will cost you $16.23, which is very affordable. To complete your purchase, choose your preferred payment method, input the details, and once the payment is done, you will be redirected to the orders screen. To view your code, click on the View Keys/Codes button, then click on Get the Key. To activate your Windows 10 OEM key, copy the code from the website, head over to your Windows settings, then System, scroll all the way down and click on About, then Product Key and Activation, and finally click on Change. Paste the code in the text field and click on Next, then Activate, and now your original Windows key got activated. For more offers, please check the links in the description below. And now let's get back to the review. Now it's time to test Quick Share with the Wi-Fi only toggle turned on and see how long it will take. Quick Share took 1 minute and 4 seconds to transfer this file. I wish it showed the transfer speed, but unfortunately it didn't. Also, let me tell you that I tried this test 2 times more behind the camera to make sure that the results I'm getting are not a one-time thing, and it was exactly the same every time, 1 minute and 4 seconds. So let's move on to Nearby Share on the same Wi-Fi only option, and let's begin. Nearby Share took less than half the time to finish the transfer in 29 seconds, which is a huge difference, even though it's labeled as beta while Quick Share is not. Now let's try Quick Share again, but this time with the Wi-Fi only toggle turned off, hoping that things will improve. And yes, it did improve significantly. It took only 29 seconds, same as Nearby Share on the Wi-Fi only option. Now let's start the final round on nearby share using the without internet option. And nearby share outperformed quick share once more, finishing the transfer in 27 seconds, which is 2 seconds less than the previous round. So let's take a quick look at the numbers. Quick share took 1 minute and 4 seconds with the Wi-Fi only toggle set to on, and 29 seconds with the toggle turned off. For nearby share, it took 29 seconds with the Wi-Fi only option selected, and 27 seconds when set to without internet. So from the results, it's clearly better to use nearby share over quick share for its faster transfer speed and availability on any Android phone instead of being only exclusive to Samsung phones. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like it, and see you the next video.